Australia's army lost a war to birds. Seriously? In 1932, 20,000 emus invaded Western Australia, destroying crops faster than farmers could replant. The solution? Send in the military. Armed with machine guns, soldiers were ready for victory. But these emus had other plans. They scattered, dodged bullets, and even seemed to have military-like leaders. After a month, only 986 birds were killed. The emus won by sheer numbers and surprising tactics. In the end, the army retreated, leaving farmers to fend for themselves. Today, it's known as the Great Emu War, a humbling reminder that nature always finds a way. And sometimes, that way involves outsmarting an entire army.